Today we're going to make an easy one-pan dinner perfect for a weeknight meal. This is a roast and it's called pot chuck is the cut. You can get it anywhere at the supermarket. This is about 2 pounds, so we're just going to season it all over. I use salt, garlic powder, nothing really else except for some Japanese pepper. You can substitute white pepper or black pepper as well. Just get both sides. And because we're going to roast it for a couple of hours to keep the bottom of the pan from burning, I put some water there. Going into the oven, a pretty low temperature, 350 or even 325. And that's after 1 hour. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. And for our one-pan dinner, we're going to add some raw chopped broccoli, just all around the pan. This is going right back in the oven at the same temp until the broccoli is cooked, and by that time the pot chuck should be really nice and tender to the point where we can shred it. I also added some gochujang paste to spice it up, and it's super tender and flavorful. And that's it. Let me know if you guys try to make this.